Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2008 Toyota Camry with a 2.4 liter motor, and this is a hybrid. So there's a few things in different spots on a hybrid, but they're still easy and accessible. So we're going to go over how you would replace your mass airflow sensor. So your mass airflow sensor is right here. This is the air box where the air filter is in, and then we have the mass airflow sensor right before it goes into the the intake, but the throttle body. So we're going to need to undo this electrical connector by pressing it down to unlock it, and then pulling it out. And then with just your screwdriver, P2, or to be able to unscrew the screws. And you undo, once the screws are undone, then you can just pull this up and pull it out. And that's the mass airflow sensor. We have a little an O-ring here, to make sure that that comes out with it, so that when it's, you don't have extra debris inside the airflow there. So we'll get a new one and we'll put it in. All right, so we've got our new mass airflow sensor, and you're just gonna place it in, and then put the two screws back in. And then connect the electric connector back up. And so that's how you replace your mass airflow sensor on your Toyota Camry of a 2008 with the 2.4 motor on a hybrid. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.